Good afternoon. Right, so today back onto the chicken coop. So last time we sorted out and finished off the solar box, so that's great news. That's all done and dusted. Obviously it's going to need the cables and the actual solar panel itself putting up, but I've decided originally I was going to put it on a platform, or should I say a stand really, that would allow me to turn it and change its angle. But I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to build one of the coops today, maybe two, depending on how easy it is actually to put them together. I'm going to build one coop and put it here. And then the idea is, as you can see, the sun is already hitting me quite early in the morning. So I think that's going to be perfect to place the solar panel on the top instead. So basically we're going to have the two coops from that post over there, sort of 1, 2 with a space to walk behind and such. And then probably have the solar panel battery box probably on a few stones just so I can easily string around it and stuff. But then actually put the panel on top of the coop itself. So ideally what I was going to do, as you can see, the fencing is all up, but I haven't put any of the chicken wire on. Now the reason for that is, unfortunately, last week my compressor decided to literally explode. And before you say it, no, I'd put oil in it and all of that. Apparently I've just had it for too many years and poor thing has taken a bit of a beating. So I need to get a new one which will allow me to do all of the stapling and get all the chicken wire up and done. But I would like to carry on with some of the work. So with that in mind, let's get cracking on building these coops. halfway through what I'd like to get done today, but yeah, we'll see whether I can get it all done. So both coops have been built, and what I'll do is I'll show you how they open and all of that stuff right now. But ideally what I want to do next is I want to get the solar panel, which you can probably see just over there, onto the top of this roof, because I think ideally it's going to be best to put the battery bank and all of the inverter and all the electronics on and close to this one, because then I can easily run cable between these two so that I've got lights in there, and also so that I can get a connection to the electric fence, which I will do over there. So yeah, without further ado, let's have a look at these little things. So yeah, little front. Now what I like particularly, one of the main reasons we bought this particular model, let me just get a bit better there, is you can open them and they've got locking arms which allow you to very easily access inside. Really easy to get in, and obviously because they are nesting box ones as well, on the side here, if we unlock that, we've also got a locking latch here. You can easily get in, to clean, easily separated by these pieces of wood, and there's actually a nice little slide out area so that you can clean very quickly, which is going to be great, save a lot of time. It's also the same for the front, or the back should I say. You can easily pull out the entire bottom tray, so you can quickly get rid of the straw, all their poop, go and chuck that in the compost. That's really good. And as well, we've got a little access door for the back if we need to get in, if chickens are hiding in the back. Not that chickens ever hide from you and try and stop and make your life difficult when you're trying to get them out. We also have a little vent, so if it's toasty in summer. And last but not least, what will be their main door. And there we go. So the idea is, yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch, and what I'll do is I also want to raise them up off the ground so that they're level, because at the moment they're not quite level, and it'd be really good for strimming, keeping all the grass down around it as well, and obviously so it's not twisted, so there's less gaps for the air to get in, so that they're a little bit warmer. So yeah, let's have a break and then we'll get back to leveling the floor. happy days, done and dusted. Both coops, as you can see, have been levelled, managed to get the solar panel installed, still opens thankfully, so that's good. The nesting box still works and the panel's not too heavy, so you can still open the top of that particular coop. Next video is going to be sorting out getting the battery bank out here with the inverter and everything else, get all that wired up, hopefully get some lights put into each one of the coops. Probably also think about installing the floodlight. Not quite sure which corner I'm going to put that in yet. And then after that, well, depending on whether I get my compressor, maybe the next video will actually be me sorting out the fencing itself. We shall see. It totally depends on whether I can get one or not. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.